Yes, adore you all of the time. I'd like to. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, if I may, if I may. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you. Ta-da! I can't my stay.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video, man. I know this is a different type of video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please smash that like button. I wanted to get going on the fenders today. Unfortunately, that's not gonna happen. So I at least got the bumpers and finished up the side molding. I will say I most certainly like the black hardware on those door pieces a lot better. But yeah, guys, like I was saying, my plans for today kind of got rudely interrupted because I was on my way to work this morning. You know what? I'm just gonna show you. I was on my way to work this morning, and you guys know that I daily drive Mad Max. You know what I'm saying? So I'm on my way to work, and next thing I know, all this steam's coming out from underneath the hood. Again, if you remember last time, a freaking hose blew up. But anyhow, I pulled over and popped the hood. I'm like, what the fuck, right? Look at this. Look at that big ass tear, dude, right in the elbow. Anyhow, this thing, it needs a good flush anyhow. The radiator needs to be flushed out. I got a new upper radiator hose, and I went ahead while I was at it and grabbed the lower radiator hose, which is down there. So yeah, dude, I need to get that finished. So yeah, man, that's the reason why my plans for today kind of changed. So I gotta, you know what I'm saying? Shit happens, brother. It happens to all of us. Anyhow, guys, do not forget, man, if you want a set, hang on. If you want a set of 82 millimeter CTR pistons, never fucking fails, bro. If you want a set of 82 millimeter pistons, okay, these are 82 millimeter CTR replicas. So these are like extremely high compression, bro. I think these will put you at like something ridiculous, like 14-to-1. I don't know. Don't go off of me. Make sure you look up the specs. On Sunday, coming up the 27th, on Sunday, I'm gonna be choosing one of my customers on the merch store, and I'm gonna be giving these pistons out. So one of you. So make sure you're on that customer list. I mean, you just buy any sticker on there. It doesn't matter how many, or if you just want to buy one, or which sticker it is. Just as long as you get yourself on that customer list, I'm gonna be choosing one of you guys. I will say right now, at the moment, there's only 11. There's only 11 people on that list since Monday's video. There's only 11 people on that list. So I'm not like TJ Hunt or Adam LZ or something where you're going up against like freaking 10,000 people. You know what I'm saying? You got pretty good odds, you know what I mean? Pretty good odds. The merch store is always the very first link in the description below. So go cop yourself a sticker. If you guys don't need the pistons and you win them, I mean, you could sell them. You know what I'm saying? Who doesn't like some extra money? Anyhow, guys, I'm gonna do a little walk around of the car for the end of the video, and then I gotta hurry up and get Max fixed before I lose daylight, and then I'll be inside editing this video and posting it up for you guys. And I hope you enjoy it. Peace out, and I'll see you guys on Friday, man. Say bye, Proby. Say bye, Proby. Proby. Say bye. Say bye, Hannah.
Bye, Hannah.
No, say bye to them, Hannah.
Bye, Hannah.
God, you're rude, bro.
Bye, guys.
Hey. Just so you guys are aware that once we get this car done, believe me, there's gonna be something done. There's gonna be something done about this. It ain't staying like that. You know what I mean? Oof. It ain't staying like that. Nope, I didn't record the front of the car. Little did I dream. Little did I dream. Little did I dream. Little did I dream.